how to download songs with Google Chrome on a phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download songs directly to your phone for free as an MP3 file. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Google Chrome browser. Once you get into the Chrome browser, there's a couple different websites that I recommend that allow you to download songs for free. So the first is going to be Pixabay, and check the description. I'll have direct links down there. Another site that I would recommend is going to be Soundstripe. They have a ton of free songs you can download, and they're also royalty free, so you can use them in their videos or something like that if you want to. So once you get to pixabay.com, in this top menu here, just scroll to the right, select music. It'll then load music where then you can either search, go through different genres, or you can scroll down and you could select a song. It'll start playing it. You could also select the little download button right there. And as you can see, it'll download the song. So I can select download. Then all I need to do in the Chrome browser is select the three dots. In the top right, select downloads. And then it will open up the file containing all the downloads. And there's the music file right there that I can actually play on my phone. So that's how you download songs with Chrome on your phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.